Move
Do
away.
not step out of the vehicle.
Move
Sir,
away
I see
from
a
me.
gun over there. You have a gun over there.
I'm not detained. I'm not detained.
Sir, for your safety and my safety, do
I'm
not
safe.
reach. Do
I'm
not
completely safe. I'm
yeah,
completely
okay, but
safe.
do not reach for the gun.
You need to leave right now.
Yeah, but you.
Whether you're in this line of duty, you're scared.
Hey, sir.
All right, have a good one.
What do you mean have a good one? Where you going?
2 agents that said you were lights out over there, hanging
Okay.
out on the side of the road.
Okay.
And they began to question you, and they said you just took off on them.
A driver was parked on the roadside with his lights off when Border Patrol agents approached him. Under Terry v. Ohio, an officer must have reasonable suspicion of criminal activity to detain someone. The agents claimed his light discipline was suspicious in a high-traffic area, but turning off vehicle lights is not a crime. When they accused him of taking off after being questioned, he reminded them that leaving an encounter is legal if not detained. Under Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Section 14.03, officers cannot make a warrantless detention without specific evidence of a crime. Unable to justify their actions, they kept shifting their reasoning, contradicting themselves repeatedly. The driver, staying calm, forced them to admit they had no actual crime to charge him with.
Hey, what's happening, man? Yeah, everything's fine.
We saw you stop there for a day.
Yeah. I was stopped.
Are you good? Are you looking at me?
Yeah, I don't know. Everything. Who?
Good.
No,
No, you ain't.
I'm married, man.
Eh?
I'm married.
No, I know, but where are you coming from?
I'm married. That's why you're asking me personal questions.
You say you're married?
Yeah,
I didn't know.
I'm not gay.
I said, where are you coming from?
I'm not.
Beginning.
I'm not gay, man. I don't think you're. Sorry.
Hey, you have a driver's license over here. I think you got a driver's license, sir.
Who are you?
Major Bolton, sir.
Okay.
So you're in our area of responsibility, sir.
Okay.
We have
Certain describables
Okay.
based on the car, based on where you were parked.
Okay.
Your light discipline, sir.
My what?
Your light discipline with your vehicle having the lights off in an area of high traffic. We're just trying to make sure you're all good.
What do
sir.
you mean high traffic?
High traffic of illegal smuggling that goes around here a lot.
What did you have your
Officer
firearm?
safety, sir.
Oh, whether you're in this line of duty, you're scared.
Okay, again, it doesn't matter. They just give it to us as toys, sir. It's not serious. Hey, sir.
All right, have a good one.
What do you mean have a good one? Where you going?
This side, it doesn't work. Doesn't work. This side. That doesn't work. It doesn't roll down. No, this side. No. This side. This side, right here. Doesn't work. Come this side.
I can't come to that side. You're in the middle of traffic.
Let me move.
How you doing, sir?
So what's the reason for the stop, man?
We had 2 agents that said you were lights out over there, hanging
Okay.
out on the side of the road.
Okay.
And they began to question you, and they said you just took off on them.
Yeah, they weren't detaining me, so
No, they didn't,
no.
because they told me they were questioning you.
Of course, yeah. Anybody can question anyone, right?
Yeah, no.
Right.
And then
Yeah.
you're driving all over the road.
No, I'm not. You're driving behind me with your high beams on.
Yeah, I was running your plate, sir. So what were you doing over there?
I'm not gay, man.
I'm sorry, what?
I'm not gay. Why are you asking me personal questions?
That's not a personal question.
Yeah, that's personal, really.
Why were you pulled over on the side of the road?
That's a personal question. Do you at least have reasonable suspicion to pull me over?
Yes, I do.
For what crime?
There's no crime.
Okay, then you don't have reasonable. You know how reasonable suspicion works?
Yes, I do.
Frustrated, the officers demanded the driver step out of the vehicle without legal justification. Under Pennsylvania Mims, officers can only order a driver out if the stop itself is lawful. The driver refused, pointing out their lack of reasonable suspicion, which made them visibly agitated. They then claimed the area was known for smuggling, but under the Fourth Amendment, proximity to crime does not justify a stop. Texas courts have ruled that an officer cannot detain someone based on general suspicion tied to location bullying. The officers began shouting conflicting orders, unsure whether to demand he stay or leave. Their desperation became more apparent when they noticed a legally owned firearm inside his vehicle.
Sir, how you doing tonight?
Who are you?
It's all right, sir. I'm just...
Who are you?
Excuse me?
Who are you?
I'm a Border Patrol Agent Cruz.
Okay.
Here I work in Laredo West AO.
Hi, one. Nice to meet you. Am I still being detained or what?
Sir,
Am I still being detained?
No, you're not detained.
Okay, thank you. I don't want to talk to you.
We're doing a big... Like,
I don't want to talk to you.
Somebody was saying that you was under... We're going to make sure you're okay.
Am I still being detained? Am I still being detained?
Sir, you're not being detained.
Simple question.
We're going to ask you, are you okay? You
All
feel like feel okay?
All right, why do you need so many officers?
Because we work in this area. We're corners.
All right.
So we work at night, and that's what we do.
All right, so am I still being detained?
Sir, are you okay?
I'm not.
Are you good to go? Like
I'm not.
Basically, you good? Because right now you were stopped over there, and it was something about...
I'm not answering anything you asked me. You may leave now.
I'm playing to you, sir. You're good to go.
All right,
Don't step out of the vehicle. Do not step out of the vehicle.
Am I detained or no?
Step out of
Am I detained?
You can leave.
Am I detained?
No, you can
leave.
Do not step out of the vehicle.
Sir,
Leave. Stop touching my car. Stop touching my car.
Out of the vehicle.
Stop touching my car.
Nobody's touching your vehicle.
Get in your vehicle and leave.
It's all right. So right now we're telling you, like, around this is a highway. You're gonna
Leave.
race the other people.
Leave.
The highway.
Leave my car.
And then you want to talk to your supervisor. You want what? And then you want to talk to your supervisor. You want what? Sir.
Am I still being detained?
C2-237.
Do not step out of the vehicle. Step back in the vehicle.
Am I?
Get back in the vehicle. You are not detained. You can leave.
Move away from me. Move away from me.
Get back in the vehicle. Get back in the vehicle. You are not detained. You can leave.
Move away from me. Move away from me. Move
Do not
away.
step out of the vehicle.
Move
Sir,
away from me.
Move
Do not
away.
step out of the vehicle.
Move
Sir,
away
I see
from
a
me.
gun over there. You have a gun over there.
I'm not detained. I'm not
Sir,
detained.
for your safety and my safety, do
I'm
not
safe.
reach. Do
I'm
not
completely safe. I'm completely
but
safe.
do not reach for the gun.
Desperate to reassert control, one officer asked where the driver was coming from. Under Rodriguez versus United States, officers cannot extend a stop beyond its original purpose without new reasonable suspicion. Instead of answering, the driver responded, "I'm married," throwing the officer off completely. The confused agent struggled to continue, realizing he had lost control of the conversation. The officers then tried to justify their actions by touching his vehicle and insisting he leave. Texas law does not require a driver to answer personal questions unless they are lawfully detained. Their conflicting commands only proved they were panicking under pressure.
You need to leave right now.
Yeah, but you don't reach for the
You
gun.
need to leave right now. You know where the gun is. Where are my hands? I'm not detained.
No, you're not. You need to go.
Okay, you need to leave.
Stepping out of there right now, you're gonna put it in danger. Traffic. We're trying to avoid
I'm
that.
on the shoulder. I'm on the shoulder.
So you can pull over to the side if you want to, but I'm in the middle of the highway. Right now, you're endangering the public.
The officers panicked when he drove a little further, stopped, and stepped out of his car. Terrified, they quickly drove off in their patrol vehicle. One officer suddenly fixated on the driver's firearm and began shouting not to reach for it. Under Arizona versus Gant, an officer cannot seize a legally owned firearm without probable cause of illegal use. The driver, keeping his hands visible, calmly reminded them he was not detained. Texas Penal Code Section 46.02 allows legal firearm possession possession in a vehicle, meaning the officers' panic had no legal basis. Realizing they had no authority, the officers became visibly anxious, struggling to maintain their composure. Their final attempt to control the situation completely backfired when they were forced to let him go. By standing his ground, the driver exposed their fear and made them back down in humiliation. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.